Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. Now we begin to use Home Assistant to control our read box. We will run Home Assistant on the Raspberry Pi 4 Linux operation system. Now first we begin to tell you how to install the Home Assistant on the Raspberry Pi 4. This is Raspberry Pi 4, SD card, card reader, and first we use this card reader. Insert the SD card. We use 64 GB and A2 type of the card. And now we install the card reader. Connect the USB card reader to the computer. Let's open the Home Assistant website. We can click the Get Start. And now we can see the suggest hardware and the software. We use the Raspberry Pi 4 model B 2 GB. And now we need to download the image file and the SD card, the program to make the SD card. This is freeware. We can choose the Raspberry 4 and 32-bit. We download and we back. And also you need to download this program to make SD card. It will auto detect your operation system. My computer is Windows, so we download from the Windows version. If you have Mac, you can choose the Mac version. And this is in download. And this exe file is download finished. We can open the folder. We need to install this software. It's also very easy to just step next. Okay, install complete. We'll have this icon. Okay, the freeware also is download complete. This image file cut. I have put the image file on the desktop. Then we can choose Flash from File and choose the desktop, the image file for, and select target. Select our SD card driver and choose this one and Flash. So just 3 steps. Choose file and choose driver and begin to flash. Now begin to write the file to card. Just wait this step finished. The SD card is complete. It takes about 2 minutes. Okay, this is complete. Next, we just insert the SD card to Raspberry Pi 4 board. After we finish making the SD card, we remove the card read and get the SD card. And we install the Raspberry Pi 4. And now we connect with the network cable. And the power supply. Now you can see the red LED is on and the green is blink. That means the Raspberry Pi 4 began to work. Now the Home Assistant have complete installed on the Raspberry Pi. You can see in website, you can visit this address in your browser. Now you can open the Home Assistant website. This means your Home Assistant is successfully running. The first step, you need to create your account, like account King Kong. This is the name and the password. And click the create account. And you can rename for your home. This is, you can choose your home 1, home 2, or your home name. And this is select your address and time zone, just according your home operation. We can press next. And finish. Now you can see the Home Assistant dashboard, all these functions in the menu. Now we have installed Home Assistant on the Raspberry Pi 4 successfully. In next video, we will tell you how to install Node-RED on the Home Assistant, because we will use Home Assistant control relay box by the Node-RED. It's very easy to use. Thanks for watching.